The Lost Superfoods Review. In this video, we will be discussing the worthiness of the Lost Superfoods book and determining if it's a scam or not. Who is behind the Lost Superfoods? The Lost Superfoods is the product of careful studies and observations by Art Root, a mathematics teacher who believes that we are more vulnerable than ever before when it comes to food. What's included in the Lost Superfoods? The Lost Superfoods contains 126 forgotten superfood recipes and life hacks that are meant to last without refrigeration. The recipes include long-lasting foods, U.S. doomsday rations, healthy vital fats, long-lasting bread, cheese preservation secrets, shelf-stable meat, fermented soups, etc. You will also receive 2 digital bonuses for free, including an underground year-round greenhouse guide and other projects from the 1900s to help you in a crisis. Ingredients. The Lost Superfoods contains ancient American recipes and forgotten food recipes with color pictures and clear instructions. The book provides the nutritional value of each food item, including the fat, carbohydrate, and protein content of these superfoods. Conclusion. The Lost Superfoods book provides essential knowledge for food storage and survival in a crisis. By the end of the video, you will have enough information to decide if it's right for you or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the discount link in the description and first pinned comment of this video.